In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default board labels in Monday.com. If you're new to Monday.com, or even if you've been using it for a while, you might want to customize your board labels to better fit your project needs. So let's dive in and I'll guide you through this process step by step. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once you're there, if you haven't already logged in, you'll need to do so. Click on the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. If you have multiple login options, click on Google and choose the Google account associated with your Monday.com profile. This will take you directly to your Monday.com homepage, where all your boards are conveniently displayed. Now, locate the board where you want to change the labels. If you have many boards, try using the search function or scroll through your list until you find the right one. Click on the board to open it. Once inside your chosen board, take a glance at the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice three dots right next to the invite link. Click on these dots for a drop-down menu full of options to appear. In this menu, look for the Settings option. This is where you'll find all the configurations for your board. Click on Settings, and once there, scroll through the list until you find Change Item Terminology. This option is what allows you to modify the default labels on your board to something more meaningful for your project. Once you click on Change Item Terminology, a box will appear offering you the possibilities for customization. Here, you can choose from existing label options, or if you prefer, create a custom label that perfectly suits your needs. This is especially useful if your board is used for a specific project or client and you need more accurate or personalized terminology. After deciding on your new label, it's time to finalize your choice. Simply click on Change, and just like that, your new board label is set and ready to use. This subtle yet powerful change can help streamline your workflow, making it easier to navigate and sort through tasks according to your preferred terminology. And there you have it. You've successfully updated the default board labels in Monday.com. Not only have you customized your board to better suit your needs, but you've also taken a step towards more organized project management. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide made the process simple and clear. See you in the next video.